excuse my appearance. I've been in the hot sun all day. It's 96 degrees. And yes, we're having a big old fat hot meal, but don't worry about it. Don't stress. We are making bitterballen meatloaf. So when I was in the Netherlands, Amsterdam, can't believe I'm even saying that, I had bitterballen and I haven't stopped thinking about it since. Okay, could I make like actual bitterballen? Yes, but I'm gonna make meatloaf. In here is lean ground beef. This is 33% lean. And for meatloaf, okay, I'm gonna tell y'all what I do. All right, I buy a lean beef and then I add butter to it, but I'm telling you, it will change your life. And when I say butter, this is 4 tablespoons of butter cooked with 1 onion. Okay, so that's gonna be our fat, and the meatloaf is just gonna taste so much better. I know. All right, I've just got some gravy granules. I'm gonna do just a few of those. And I'm not stressing, okay? They're gonna dissolve right on in there. Just a few, maybe a teaspoon. This is just some cream cheese. This is actually whipped, but use whatever you have. 2 tablespoons of that. Okay, if y'all tell James that there is mustard in this, it's gonna be a problem, okay? Just like, I don't know, a heaping tablespoon of mustard, and then nutmeg. Now, I feel like I tasted nutmeg in the bitterballen, but you know what? I probably should have looked it up. All right. But nutmeg in any sort of beef dish is really good. I believe it's in moussaka, and that's when I first kind of had the combo. Greek moussaka. Do not be shy. Freshly grated is a whole different ball game, okay? I'm not just saying that to sound bougie. It does sound bougie though. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I did season the onions too with salt and pepper, because I think if you kind of season the layers of the dish, it's always better. Oh, and then 1 egg. This is from my chicken. She is a black Marin, and this is beautiful. Sometimes they're even darker than this. All right, 1 egg. We need some breadcrumbs. These are just panko, but use whatever you have. Do maybe half a cup. But you can kind of see how your consistency is. Okay, so clean hands, just going in there. Don't worry about it. My greased pan. Okay, what I do with meatloaf is I make like mini meatloaves because I feel like it just cooks better all around, you know? So let's just do 1/4 of this. I'm gonna make 4 of these, which is lucky because 2 of my kids are with my mom, so they're not eating with us. So I'm gonna make it elongated and not a true like ball like bitterballen, just so it cooks really well. So we've got a little croqueta. This is where it's gonna get weird. Okay, panko in here, and we are going to just kind of coat the tops only. Just lightly, okay? And we're gonna see what happens. I'm not worried about it. 2, 3, and 4. Into the oven they go. The bitterballen meatloaf is done. We're gonna taste it, okay? Is that all right with you? When I was in Amsterdam, they gave me curry ketchup, mustard, and mayo, but I also ordered lobster croquettes and fries. So I'm not really sure what is traditional with it, except several of you guys did say mustard, so we're gonna do that. I also have a sweet hot mustard. Let's just do it all. Just living, you know? Adi sent me this. Thank you, Adi. Yeah. You're seeing this, it must be absolutely fab. The nutmeg, incredible. Ooh, perfectly cooked. Ooh, let's do some curry ketchup and some mayo. That's a combo. I'm a big old fan of this. The crunchy top gives it kind of like that fried feel. It's fab, absolutely fab. You know what we should do? Make a bitterballen sauce with mayo, curry ketchup, sweet hot mustard, and regular mustard and call it genius.